And what's good, YouTube, man? It's Corey Ratcliffe, and you're tuning in to Corey the Phone Trader Channel. We back with another banger, a serious one. We got a dilemma going on over here, man. We got some crazy stuff going on over here. We got to talk about the Apex 50K funded account. We got to talk about the 25K Take Profit Trader Pro funded account. We also have to talk about this Top Step combine that I had. So my game plan is to have all three funded. So first of all, we're going to talk about Top Step and Apex yesterday. Today is Thursday, June 5th. I took a trade yesterday, but didn't end up recording it because I was doing a bunch of work and stuff and didn't have time. So I'm talking about it today. So I'm getting ready to turn you to the phone on yesterday's trade, which was June 4th. All right, guys. So this is micro gold on the 5-minute time frame. That's the trade that I took at 6 a.m. yesterday morning. We're going to talk about what I saw though. So ever since June 2nd, we have been bouncing in this area. So after we bounce from the top, guess what I think the market is going to do? It's going to try to come all the way down and touch this bottom line. So that's what I was thinking that was going to happen. So Wednesday night at about 6 p.m., the market had touched this top trend line. Now, I could have got in on these little flags. That's an example of a flag right there. That's another example of a flag and then a reversal. So, as the market barely touched the top trend line, I am expecting the market to come down here to this bottom trend line. So, I was looking for a flag for continuation going to the downside. That's where I got in at. That was about 6 a.m. in the morning, roughly about 5 something in the morning. So that was my trade. I said, I'm in a perfect position and I'm comfortable with that. So I took the trade and the trade totally reversed on me. It almost hit a 1-to-1. It didn't even hit a 1-to-1 and it just reversed on me. I'm like, what? I did not expect that, man. Nevertheless, it's all good. So I took that trade on the Apex 50K account. And that was a loss of $190. When I had made that loss, the account was sitting at $51,300 and some change. So that was cool. The Apex account, I took a $500 trade because it's a combine and I'm trying to hurry up and pass this thing so I could get funded. That was a $500 trade, so I ended up losing $500 and I had the account at $52,000 and some change. So I need to get back to, I need $1,000 to pass this Top Step account, and I just need to make more money to get to the buffer to get a payout with Apex. This was yesterday. Oh, y'all. So this was the 4th. I'm getting ready to go into last night, man. Oh, boy, this trade right here pissed me off. I hate when gold do this to me, man. I'm like, gold, man, what? I was so sick, man. I was so pissed off. So this was June 4th, yesterday morning's trade, which was cool. And I seen this setup last night. This setup started to occur roughly about 9 to 10 p.m., guys, when I finally went to sleep. And I said, you know what? I haven't done it in a while. I'm going to let this trade run overnight. And I'm going to just let it roll, man. I normally don't do that with an intraday trailing drawdown account. But I had this odd feeling that gold wanted to pump. And I'm talking about super pump, man. So, man, I had drew this diagram out, man. As you guys can see, man, it's nothing but another breakout trade. That's all this is, man. So my analysis and my thought process was the market is bouncing and then the market is going to shoot up out of this wedge and take off to the moon. I said, man, I bet you money that gold is going to shoot to the moon by the time I wake up, man. I want to get in where I'm good with the position and I could go to bed and wake up in the morning and I have a crazy profit. Y'all, I knew this was going to happen. I had that eerie, odd feeling, man, that gold was going to pump. So I'm going to explain the first trade. So I was looking for the market after it touched up here to come to the bottom of this white trend line right here. And that's where I got in there, where you see this first blue arrow right there. That's where I placed my first trade. So it had got all the way up to a 1-to-1. This trade was up $185, and I put my stop loss at break even because that's what I do. That's my plan. So the market ended up stopping me out at break even. I said, okay, it's all good. I said, I believe that this joker really wants to take off. So guys, I got in again. Once I seen the market came all the way back, I got right back in as soon as I lost. As soon as the market stopped me out, I got right back in. Well, as you guys can see, this long wick candle right there ended up taking me out. So I said, okay, that's a loss. That's another $180 loss. So now the account is at 51,100 and some change. I said, okay, it's all good, man. It's all good, dog. We gonna regroup. We gonna come back from this. So one thing that I noticed, this candle right here, guys, that long, beautiful red wick candle. If I go to the 1 hour time frame, guys, if we go to the 1 hour time frame, man, that thing touched perfectly a 1 hour demand setup. That is a supply and demand setup for me. A no-brainer. And then on top of that, guys, I got two confluences. So this candle right here where this yellow box at, y'all, it tapped the 1 hour demand, and it also finished above my white trend line, guys. You all see that? It finished above it, man. Look at that. That's beautiful. That yellow box, it touched my 1 hour and it finished above my trend line. I said, oh man, I got to get in this. This thing finna pump, man. I said, for it to tap the 1 hour and for it to finish above my trend line, that's a double whammy for me. That's a secured no-brainer. Take the trade again, man. I said, I normally don't like going in trades so quick like that. But man, I got to get in on this because this signals and tells me that the market is finna jump to the moon, man. So guys, this is what I did, man. I said, I just got to find another good position for me to get in. And then I'm going to close my phone for the night. And then hopefully I wake up in the morning. This thing shoots to the moon. Look what it did last night. Y'all see that mess? Ooh-wee, boy. I was so pissed, guys. I woke up this morning. I said, oh, man, what did the market do, man? And the market barely stopped me out and took off to the moon. I knew this was going to happen, man. I knew that gold wanted to pump. Now I'm going to go to the 1 hour time frame. My full TP that I was aiming for, guys. My full TP was up here. I was aiming for gold to close in this 1 hour gap. That is a supply zone. So I had this white line drawn right here just in case. This was a liquid zone, and I had this line drawn out because it was a huge 1 hour supply zone. I had two take profits, but I wanted to go for the top one because I felt like that gold wouldn't just stop at this white line to grab that liquid zone. It would go to fill the gap, and it did exactly that, man. Y'all, the market went to a 1, man. The market gave me a 1 to 6 RR. That is $1,100 trade. I was so sick, y'all, when I woke up. The market just freaking barely stopped me out, man. That's one freaking point. Gold stopped me out 1 point for it to go all the way to my full TP, y'all. And it hit it perfectly. Y'all see that? It hit my TP perfectly. Talking about my analysis being right, man. Talk about me seeing what I saw. The market did exactly what I thought it was going to do. Why the market decided to come back down and touch the 1 hour again and then stop me out to take off to the moon, man. I was so hot and so pissed when I saw that. So, yeah. Let me show you the account, guys. After we did all this trading, man, and after it stopped us out to go to the moon for a $1,100 profit, man. Oh my gosh, bro. Jeez. Here's the account, guys. We're only down $500, man. We're still good. We're still straight. But I'm so hot about that freaking trade, man. So it's all good, man. I'm not tripping. The account is still good. I had to immediately log out of the Apex. I had to immediately, after I saw that this morning, I had to immediately log out, close all my accounts because I just felt like doing something stupid. I felt like degenning, guys, after seeing that. So after all those trades last night, we only lost $330.96. We still have the account at $51,012.34. This account would have been at almost $2,300. But we're going to log out of this. We're going to log out of our account and go over here to Micro NASDAQ and show you guys the trade that blew my mind away, guys. So I took this trade on Top Step, guys. So I'm going to replay what my thought process when I saw this, y'all. Okay, guys, I'm in bar replay mode and I'm about to give you my thoughts on what was happening while I was at work this morning. So I took a trade this morning in Top Step this morning, guys. And I said, man, this is for all the marbles, man. I want to pass this Top Step account today because it's leading up to what I think the market is going to do. It's going to bust to the moon and then it's probably going to do whatever it want to do. But as you guys can see, simple. All you see is a wedge, man. All you see the market doing is bouncing in between here. So I'm trying to take trades from the top going down and from the bottom going up. This is what I was looking for. I hadn't placed my trade yet. On the 5-minute time frame, I also see a breakout and I also see a 5-minute demand setup. I noticed, guys, that we have a lot of rejection right here. We got rejection here with this blue line. Rejection, we came, rejection, going down, rejected again. This candle right here. Then we go past it. Then we come back and reject it, go past it. Then we come down again. Then we go up. We go up to touch the blue line again, rejection. Then we come down. Then we seem like we gotta go up with rejection. I see a huge head and shoulders, guys. This blue line was letting me know, like, man, there's a lot of rejection going on up here, man. So I said, you know what? I don't think the market is going to come down anymore. If it do come down, it's going to grab this white line, which is a 5-minute demand setup. So I say, I'm not taking no position yet. I'm going to wait. One thing that I noticed now that I look at this, I saw a trend line. I can't bring out the tools yet, but I had a white line going all the way down here, guys. So I was also looking for a breakout, man. I was looking for a breakout to happen. I was like, okay, not yet, Corey. Be patient. Nope, not yet, Corey. Not yet. Nope, I'm not taking nothing yet. Nope, not taking nothing yet. Nope, I'm not moving. I noticed that the market kept playing around this blue line. I said, nope, not yet, Corey. Nope, not yet, Corey. We're going to wait. We're going to, boom, It hit at what time? That candle hit at 6:30 this morning. As you guys can see, the market finished above this white major trend line, and it also finished above the 5-minute demand candle. I said I'm finna get in for a buy. So guys, I got in for a buy. I closed my phone, y'all, and I said, you know what? I'm just gonna live with the results. I'm gonna do a 25-point stop loss. I'm risking $500. I'm aiming for a 1 to 2. If this market hit, I will pass this Top Step Combine account, man. Y'all, when I close my phone, y'all, after this candle right here, look what happened. Bam! Took off to the moon, baby. I did not know it was gonna do that. So you know what that means, guys. So we have finally passed another Top Step Combine, guys. Man, I was happy to see that. We passed it. All right, so that was a plus, man. That was good, man. Let's talk about Take Profit Trader right quick. So the Take Profit Trader account, something is going on with it. I haven't been able to trade the Take Profit Trader Pro 25K account this week. There's something going on with the Tradeovate and my Take Profit Trader account. When I go in to try to take a trade, you know, when you get a prop firm account, they are the ones that's supposed to pay for the market data and all that stuff. Every time I try to log into my account and take a trade, they're trying to charge me to pay for market data. You're not supposed to, as a prop firm trader, and you've already paid your money for the account and the activation fee and all that. Us prop firm traders are not responsible for paying market fees and all that stuff. All right, y'all, just to show you proof, this is my Take Profit Trader Pro funded account. We ain't been taking no trades, man, because there's something going on with my account, man. It's like blocking me from taking trades unless I buy market data, and that's Take Profit Trader's job, is to pay that. So guys, as I'm recording, I decided to check my email. And you know, my Take Profit Trader account, I haven't been able to trade, right? So I go check this email very quickly, man. I don't know what made me go check my emails, but we got a message from Luca at 11:52 a.m. And look what he said. He said, "Dear Corey, thanks for reaching out. We have updated your market data status and you should be able to set to trade at this point. Log out, and log back in. We appreciate your understanding. Best regards, the Profit team." Hey, man, we back in action, y'all, man. They fixed that fast, man. I don't know why they didn't pay for market data. It was just probably a mess up, you know what I'm saying? But they fixed that fast. Make sure you like the video. Make sure you subscribe. Make sure you click that notification bell for more videos and bangers. Corey, the phone trader, got coming out. Boy, we live over here, man. Yeah, man, we just gonna try better next time, man, I guess, man. See what the market gonna give us. I'll wait. Hey, if I see a setup tomorrow, we gonna take it, and I'm recording and let y'all know, man. Until next time, man, y'all guys stay tuned in, locked in, man, for Corey the Phone Trader coming out with all type of vlogs and trades and stuff, man. We lit, baby. Peace, blessings, love, y'all. And you know the motto after every video. In 3, 2, 1. Peace out, baby. We got 3 funded accounts. It's on now.